everybody, today we are in Houston, Texas, and today we decided to go to the park. The babies and Moana have one thing in common. They find turtles. I spy a river. Let's go, babies.
What do you see?
I want to take a picture of water.
You see water?
Yeah.
And what else?
And a rock.
This is beautiful, babies.
It looks like the girls found something. Oh wait, they didn't. Hey girls, I think I saw a pond. Let's go to it. Careful, do not get too close.
Look at Mama.
Sisters.
Girls, may we do the shark dance?
Drop our sock.
Oh my gosh, the babies found a door to a parallel dimension. I think to open the portal, the babies are gonna need to spin the door 3 times in one direction and 1 time in the other. Let's see if they can open it. They did not open the portal, but let's move on. Life-size crocodile, can we pet it?
Babies, what did you find?
A crocodile. Come on, crocodile.
Come on, girls, it's time to leave. Thank you for watching, and watch us every Wednesday.